Hello, my beautiful babes. Welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki, and I'm so excited you're here with me today. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of Selena Gomez's rare beauty. We're going to explore the products, the philosophy, and everything in between. Selena is a true icon, a multi-talented force in the entertainment industry. Singer, actress, producer, and a passionate champion for mental health awareness. Rare beauty isn't just makeup, it's a movement. It's about embracing your unique self, celebrating your individuality, and being incredibly kind to your mind and soul. I absolutely love that they give back so generously through the Rare Impact Fund. Such a powerful and impactful initiative. The vibe? Fresh, effortless, and all about achieving a healthy, radiant glow. The products are designed to be easy to use, buildable for customized looks, and never ever cakey. It's definitely not about hiding your true self, but enhancing your already stunning natural beauty. Rare beauty is absolutely everywhere right now. My entire social media feed is practically glowing with it. The overall message is so incredibly positive and uplifting, but the real burning question is, are the products actually as good as everyone says they are? Well, I'm ready and eager to put them to the ultimate test and find out. Let's see if the magic is truly real and lives up to the hype. So stay tuned as we dive deep into each product and share my honest thoughts. Let's get started on this rare beauty adventure. Why try this routine? You know me. Makeup is my passion, and I love exploring new brands, especially celebrity ones. Selena's makeup always looks flawless, fresh, radiant, and chic. I've been dying to see if Rare Beauty can deliver that signature Selena glow. The brand has built such a positive, loving community online. Everyone raves about the ease and unique textures. I wanted to experience it firsthand and see if the hype is real. My usual look is full glam, but this is a softer, more natural style. It's a fun experiment. Can I embrace the softer side of glam? Let's challenge ourselves and try something new. Time to dive in. All right, let's dive right in and get started. We're about to create a beautiful, natural makeup look together. First up, always an Optimist 4-in-1 Prime and Set Mist. This is the perfect way to prep the skin. The mist is super fine, it feels weightless on the skin, smells fresh, like a spa day in a bottle, and instantly hydrates my skin, creating the perfect canvas for makeup. Next, foundation, Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation. This is my go-to for a natural, everyday look. I used a sponge. It helps to create a really seamless finish. So lightweight, you'll barely feel like you're wearing anything. Medium coverage, just enough to even out my skin tone. And blends like a dream. It melts into the skin effortlessly. My skin looks like skin, but better. It enhances my natural complexion. Concealer Time Liquid Touch. Brightening concealer under the eyes to brighten up any dark circles. And on blemishes, to cover any imperfections. Creamy, smooth, blends so easily into the skin, and brightening. No heaviness at all. It feels so comfortable. Set it all with Always an Optimist Soft Radiance Setting Powder. Light, finely milled, it blurs imperfections and gives a soft, radiant finish. It's not at all matte or drying. My base feels smooth, set, everything is locked in place and natural. It still looks like my skin. No cakey vibes, it's all about that fresh, healthy glow. Just a beautiful, fresh canvas, ready for the next steps. The products layer effortlessly. They all work so well together. Everything feels light and breathable. It's so comfortable to wear. I'm loving this natural look already. It's exactly what I was hoping for. It's a refreshing change from my usual routine. I'm excited to experiment more with this. Ready for some color. Let's add some dimension and warmth to the face. Let's move on to blush and bronzer. Time to bring some life back into the skin. Here we go. This is where the fun really begins. All right, let's move on to the color portion of our routine. It's time to bring some life and vibrancy to the face. The Soft Pinch Liquid Blush is famous for a reason. It's a staple in many makeup bags. It's super pigmented, so a little goes a long way. It blends beautifully, almost seamlessly into the skin, and gives a healthy flush, like you've just spent the day out in the fresh air. I used shade Hope, Gorgeous. It's the perfect rosy pink for a natural, youthful look. Next, Warm Wishes. Effortless bronzer stick for a sun-kissed glow. It's creamy, which is key for easy application. Easy to blend, so you don't have to worry about harsh lines. And adds natural warmth, giving the face dimension and a healthy glow. Highlighter Positive Light Liquid Luminizer for that radiant, dewy glow. It's all about that lit from within look. It melts into the skin, becoming one with your complexion. No glitter, just pure shine. It's sophisticated and subtle. Brows Brow Harmony Pencil and Gel, the dynamic duo for perfect brows. Quick for those mornings when you're short on time. Easy even for beginners. And keeps brows in place all day long. Eyes. Perfect strokes. Universal Volumizing Mascara, the final touch for captivating eyes. Lifts, giving your lashes a beautiful curl. Defines, separating each lash for maximum impact. And no clumps, just perfectly coated lashes. The look is soft and very wearable. Glowy, highlighting your natural beauty. And perfect for every day, whether you're running errands or meeting friends. Everything feels so effortless and natural, like you're not even wearing makeup. I feel like a glowing goddess, ready to take on the world. The products work so well together, creating a harmonious look. No harsh lines, which is essential for a natural finish. Just seamless blending, creating a flawless canvas. It's a total vibe, a whole mood. I'm genuinely impressed with the quality and performance. Rare Beauty nailed it, creating products that are both effective and easy to use. Let's talk about challenges and surprises that came up during this makeup application. Any challenges? The blush is super pigmented, less is more. I had to blend carefully, but it worked out. Biggest surprise, how light everything feels on the skin. The foundation is weightless, and the bronzer blends itself. I thought effortless was just marketing, but it's true. The routine is quick, intuitive, and all the products layer beautifully. No pilling, no weird textures, just seamless application. The makeup wore well all day, fresh, glowy, and no major creasing. The blush stayed vibrant and the glow lasted. For such a natural look, the lasting power is impressive. I'm honestly blown away. Rare Beauty passed the wear test. So what's my final verdict? This look is softer and more natural than my usual glam, but I feel so pretty. It's glowy, healthy, and lets my skin shine through. Perfect for everyday wear. Quick, easy, and polished. Not overdone, just effortlessly beautiful. Great for work, school, or any day you want to feel good. Beginners and minimalists will love this routine. If you want a radiant, natural glow, this is for you. And Selena fans, this brand delivers. The message behind Rare Beauty is inspiring. I'm officially a fan. The products are high quality, easy to use, and give stunning results. I'll definitely be adding some of these to my routine. Selena, you nailed it. This is the power of makeup.